Rejected, 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 rejected. Man.
Is this your experience applying for jobs as a PhD? If so, at Cheeky Scientist, we have you covered. We'll do resume reviews with you to make sure you get your resume perfectly done for an industry job, and we'll make sure you get through those pesky ATS software programs, applicant tracking system software, the resume filtering systems that are weeding you out automatically. We'll also help you with your LinkedIn profile. We'll give you professional guidance. We know LinkedIn's algorithm better than anybody else in the world for PhDs. And of course, we'll give you interview help too to make sure that you nail the interview, and then you move to the later stage interviews where you're gonna get that job offer. If you're interested in learning more about getting hired into industry as a PhD, you can attend our free 5-day transition challenge, where we'll help you with your resume, LinkedIn profile, interviews, and more. All you have to do is click the link below or click the link here in the video box. As always, remember your value as a PhD and start thinking and acting like a successful industry professional.